So now we will talk about the Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Roundtable Conference and Moratorium of Satyagraha. Moratorium means delay. Gandhi-Irwin Pact means there was a pact or a deal that was signed between Gandhiji and Irwin. The Roundtable Conference which took place and the delay in Satyagraha. Gandhiji was called upon by the Britishers for Roundtable Conference related to constitutional structure and reforms. First round-table conference was held, but with the absence of Congress leaders, it was futile. So what happened was Gandhiji was called by the Britishers. The Britishers called Gandhiji that we should meet each other and we should try to bring about changes in the constitution and bring about changes in the structure of the constitution, structures of rules and regulations. Okay, now what happened is by this time Gandhiji realized that this Britishers are ખોટાળા ખોટું આપણને કહે છે કે હા અમે તમને ચાન્સ આપશું, આપણે ચેન્જીસ લાવશું, કાંઈ ચેન્જીસ તો લાવતા નથી. So Gandhiji, what did he decide? That we will not attend any conference that are held by the Britishers. So Britishers ની જે ફર્સ્ટ રાઉન્ડ ટેબલ કોન્ફરન્સ હતી, the first round table conference was unsuccessful because Gandhiji was not there and because Congress was not there. Okay, and obviously at that time Congress was the biggest party in India. So it was necessary for Congress and Gandhiji to be there, but obviously both of them were not there, so it was futile or unsuccessful. To reconcile with the Congress, a pact between Gandhiji and Irwin was made, which was known as the Gandhi-Irwin Pact of 1990. So in order to to make relations okay, reconcile એટલે to make relations okay between Congress and the Britishers, it was decided that a pact or a deal will be signed between Gandhiji and Irwin. Okay, and this was known as the Gandhi-Irwin Pact of 1931, in which permission for free collection or manufacture of salt by a person near the sea coast and permission of peaceful picketing were the main points. So what was the main points over there? Gandhiji said allow Indians to make salt. Okay, so that permission was given, that free collection and manufacturing of salt. You could freely produce salt, you could freely manufacture and sell or collect the salt. Second is permission for peaceful picketing. Picketing means what? Picketing is a form of a protest in which people gather outside a place of work or location where an event is taking place. So peaceful gathering, it's a protest or a peaceful protest in near their place of work. Let us say કે હું એક ફેક્ટરીમાં કામ કરું છું અને મારે પ્રોટેસ્ટ કરવો છે, તો બધા લોકો મારી ફેક્ટરીની બહાર ભેગા થઈ જશે. That is called picketing. Okay, so give permission first was for collection of salt and second was for peaceful picketing. If people are doing protest in a peaceful way, if people are doing protest in a non-harmful way, they are not harming you, they are not saying anything to you, so don't arrest them or don't take any actions against them because they are peaceful, they are not violent. Okay, these were the main demands. What were the main demands? Manufacturing and collection of salt, which earlier was not allowed, and peaceful picketing. The second round table conference, Gandhiji was the only representative from the Congress, and Britishers had discriminating points for various religious communities, to which Gandhiji was deeply disappointed, and therefore the conference was dissolved. So now what happened was the deal was made कि અમે તમને આ બે વસ્તુ માટે permission આપશું and you have to come and attend the second round conference, because obviously the first round table conference was a failure because Congress was not there. Okay, so a pact or a deal was signed between Gandhi and Irwin. Irwin said that we will give you permission to make salt, we will give you permission for peaceful picketing if you come for the second round conference, round table conference to London. Gandhiji agreed. Gandhiji was the representative who went from Congress over there. When he went over there, in the round table conference, Gandhiji realized that the government was trying to divide us on the basis of religion. Okay, what did they say is that every person, there were discriminating points for various religious communities. Religious communities એટલે Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, okay, all આ લોકો માટે ઘણા બધા, like they made rules and regulations for each and every religion. which was very bad because they were trying to divide the Indians based on religion. Okay, and they were trying to create hatred among people. So Gandhiji was very disappointed with all these things, and the conference was dissolved. એટલે the conference was not successful because Gandhiji did not agree that why is every religion discriminated એટલે અત્યાચાર કેમ થાય છે એ લોકો ઉપર, right? કે like why are rules and regulations different for Hindus than Muslims and then like other religions? Okay, so obviously there were points made in the conference for all the religious communities. Obviously Hindus will feel Muslims are being favored, Muslims will feel Hindus are being favored, Christians will feel Sikh are being favored, Sikhs will feel Christians are being favored. So obviously they were trying to divide the Indians through this round table conference. Okay, I'll revise it back to you. Now what happened that the first round table conference was a failure because Gandhiji did not attend the round table conference and the Congress did not attend the first round table conference. Okay, so it was necessary that good relations were to be maintained with the Congress and Gandhiji. So for that a deal was made, and that deal was called as the Gandhi-Irwin Pact. This deal was signed between Gandhi and Irwin. That is why it's called as the Gandhi-Irwin Pact. In this pact, Irwin or the Britishers, they agreed that the Indians will have the right to make and collect salt, and second for peaceful picketing. And in return, Gandhiji and Congress will attend the second round table conference. Gandhiji went for the second round table conference, but he was disappointed because there were many discriminating points that were made towards the different religious communities, and Gandhiji felt that this was done in order to create problems between the religions in India, to divide the religions in India, to create the hatred towards other religions in India, and because of this Gandhiji was disappointed and the conference was dissolved.